Astronomers have aimed NASA's James Webb Space Telescope at a really distant part of the Milky Way called the extreme outer galaxy. Now, when I say distant, I mean it. This region is more than 58,000 light years away from the center of our galaxy. Just for some perspective, Earth is around 26,000 light years away from the center, so this place is really out there. The Webb telescope, with its incredibly powerful cameras, zoomed in on two areas known as Deagle Clouds 1 and 2. These clouds are like star factories, filled with clusters of stars that are actively forming right now. Thanks to Webb's high-tech capabilities, scientists were able to get an up-close look at these areas in incredible detail. We're talking about seeing newborn stars, jets of material shooting out of them, and the cloudy nebular structures around them, stuff that we could only dream of seeing before. The Webb telescope data has given us the chance to explore star formation in the far reaches of our galaxy, something we usually only get to study up close in our cosmic neighborhood. Before this, scientists had an idea that stars were forming out there, but they couldn't really dive into the nitty-gritty details. Natsuko Izumi, the lead scientist on the study, said that Webb's data took everything they had learned over the years to a whole new level. For instance, when they looked at Deagle Cloud 2, they found way more active star formation than they ever expected. And the coolest part, they saw jets of material shooting out of these newborn stars, sorta like fireworks. And here's why Deagle clouds are so interesting. Although they're a part of our galaxy, they don't have many elements heavier than hydrogen and helium. In a way, they're kind of like what our Milky Way might have been like in its early years, or even small dwarf galaxies. So, studying these clouds gives us a sneak peek into what star formation might have looked like a long time ago. With the Webb telescope, the team took a deeper dive into 4 clusters of young stars within these clouds. In one area, called Cloud 2S, they found a dense cluster of stars that were actively shooting out jets of material. There had been a theory that there might be a subcluster within this cloud, but no one had seen it until now. Webb finally gave us the proof we needed. So why are these jets so fascinating? Well, when stars are born, they often start spewing jets of material from their poles. Mike Ressler, the second author of the study, described what Webb saw in Cloud 2S as fascinating and astounding. It's like a firecracker with jets shooting out in all directions. This discovery is helping us understand the wild and chaotic process of how stars come to life. And this is just the beginning. The team wants to go back to this distant part of our galaxy to answer even more questions. For instance, they're curious about the different types of stars that form in the extreme outer galaxy. Understanding this can help us figure out how the environment affects the star's formation process. Natsuko Izumi is also looking to study the disks of material that form around these new stars. These disks are essential for star and planet formation, but in this far-off region, they seem to disappear faster than they do closer to us. No one knows why yet, but with Webb's help, we're getting closer to finding out. Star formation is like a story with many mysterious chapters, and thanks to NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, we're finally starting to piece together some of this cosmic puzzle. From revealing hidden clusters to showing us stellar fireworks, Webb is giving us a front row seat to the birth of stars in one of the most remote corners of our galaxy. And that's the latest chapter in our journey to understanding the stars. As always, like and subscribe for more updates.